This year, we're finally getting everything that we did last year.
Do it.
Hey, what did it do? Okay, I can't. Oh, do you think we're going to be able to do that thing? The next one?
Take it. Take a
Take a sick day. Here's the hard fact.